Hi, how are you? Today we're gonna show how to make scrambled eggs. In Arabic it's called بيض بسمنة. بيض بسمنة. We get the طاسة. This pan we call it طاسة. Any other pan we call it حلة. So the frying pan we call it طاسة, but any other pan we call it حلة. And then we get the ghee. The ghee is kind of similar to the butter. We call it سمنة. So we get the ghee, the samna. I have this brand of ghee or samna. So first we put the samna. So maybe one and a half of samna. And when we turn on the stove, okay, we don't want it too high. So turn on the stove. Stove is بوتاجاز. This is called بوتاجاز. Okay, so we put the ghee or samna. This is called معلقة, spoon, معلقة, and we wait for the samna to melt, to سيح. Samna to melt, samna تسيح. And then we get the eggs or the بيض from الثلاجة, the fridge. So we open الثلاجة and we get البيض, eggs, بيض from الثلاجة. Okay, so بيض بسمنة or scrambled eggs, very common breakfast meal for الفطار breakfast. بيض بسمنة, scrambled eggs. Egyptians eat it either scrambled or omelette or مسلوق. مسلوق is the boiled eggs, بيض مسلوق. So you have بيض بسمنة, scrambled eggs, بيض omelette, بيض مسلوق, boiled eggs. Okay, we wait for the ghee start it to melt, and then we put the eggs. واحد or واحدة بيضة. One egg is بيضة واحدة, one egg. اتنين بيضتين, two eggs, بيضتين. تلات بيضات, three eggs. تلات بيضات. أربع بيضات. Okay, after we put the eggs, I let them cook. So the next is we get the ملح, the salt, ملح, شوية ملح, a little bit of salt, ملح, شوية ملح, and then pepper, فلفل. Hi Yusuf, everyone say hi Yusuf. Hi. Okay, we put the ملح and فلفل, and then we start to scramble them, start to mix them up. How do we eat them? We get the Lebanese bread. So we get Lebanese bread. I like to eat the eggs with عيش Lebanese bread. So we get the Lebanese bread, put it in the microwave, 30 seconds. And we have the eggs. And we're ready. Thank you.